Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Hydro from Hydro Gaming here, and hopefully you can hear me. I'll check later with the audio, but the reason why I'm only playing Minecraft today is because 1, I'm bored, 2, it is a dare, and I can't remember the name, but they said that I can play Minecraft on our PC Minecraft on any server I want. But he didn't. Well, he said the hype, but he didn't specify which game mode. And there is 4 of them. We have Treasure Wars. We have the new Murder Mystery, which is one that I've not tried yet, and don't think I'll try because I'm addicted to Treasure Wars. We've also got Hide and Seek and Death Run. I played Death Run before. I pretty like it a lot. But let's go into some Treasure Wars first. Let's do squads, because why not? Oh, parkour course. Let's do it. So, watch this. Let me do it all in one. Look at all that. We even did. Oh, it's not a 360 spin. But no, we've got. So basically how it works is get generators which generate gold from here. These are the natural generators, and if you come in here, you've got blocks, ammo, weapons, tools to put stuff on a bed and win against all the other teams with different valuabilities. So there's gold, diamonds for the tools, for the weapons. Got weapons like these. Also need 1 diamond for a bow and 10 for 10 arrows. So it's only 1 for 1 arrow. And if we go into armor, we get chain for 32 gold, 32 iron, 32 diamonds for iron. And we also get 16 emeralds. If we get that, we get a diamond set. Which obviously the emerald is over there. And we're already making a move. And what you need to do first is place blocks around your treasure, because if you leave it out in the open, it's easy to just get. If it's easy to just get like that, then you're pretty much just gonna die straight away. And someone's already made it to these spawners. I'm gonna get 4 diamonds. Let's get some diamonds. I've also got someone already making it to red, I think. Right, so that's 2 emeralds already. What I'm gonna try and do is just run around with just getting emeralds. This guy just left. Okay, no, time to go. Whoa, no. You need to put these in the chest. You need to put them in the chest. These in the chest. They're gone. Hey, treasure's gone. What? How is the treasure gone? How's the treasure gone? How's we doing this? No. No, I'm getting out of here. See ya. Wow, that was a weird game. Let's get to a new game. It's probably a hacker. There's loads of hackers in this game. So let's try again to win. So you know what to do now. I've shown you what to do. So let's get serious. And we're on the green team. Let's get to. So I'm gonna go to this generator first, and I'm gonna get loads of gold. And hopefully no one builds to the middle, because if someone else does, then they could come and get our bed. And I'm planning on putting endstone first around it. Maybe 64 blocks of emerald. That's really all I need. Just need. So it looks like we're all playing it safe. I'm gonna tell everyone don't go middle. Don't go mid. Get me 32 gold for end stone. Wait, what? What just happened? Have you all left on me? What, there's one of them. 2 people have left. Two people have left. That's what it is. Endstone. That's 32 endstone. That's fine for now. No. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Stop. Hold it. I've got. Dang it! I didn't mean to get that. Take that. That's exactly what I need. That's exactly. Right, let's try and get in it again. Pickaxe. Right. Seems will hate me for this. Start placing it down so we know what I'm doing. I think we all left us. Sorry for being silent, guys. I'm just concentrating. Don't really talk in these videos that much now. Right. The other 2 left us. So it looks like I'm just gonna go get some armor. The armor, you keep it. Even if you die, you'll keep it, which is cool. Let me get some wool. Oh yeah, and I guess I can use it for a weapon. It don't matter. Alright, let's crouch. Right, guys, this is weird, but you can crouch and place blocks like this. That's on PC Minecraft. Don't know about PS4 yet, because I'm playing Minecraft on PS4, because that's normally when I'm bored. We're here. Out our axe. 4 diamonds is good for now, but I think I'm just gonna go around twice. I'm already being followed. No. There's my green guy. Don't tell me he's left as well. I'm not playing this for the team. What's happening? I'm gonna keep these here on me. Don't really need that there. get me a stone sword. Now, what I'd say we need. I don't know what we need really. What do we need? Can't think of anything that we'll need to get around. We'll take those blocks. These 8 blocks. Let's place them around here. Right. I want to go. Let's get some blocks. I'll get 2 auto bridges and then get some wool. Place 23 wool in here. That in there, and we're good. Right, okay. Don't need as much. Oh, come on now. Is it just me on my own? All of them have just seriously left me. Hey, just put these in there. I don't really grab anything else. So, I should be fine to just get some stuff now. 5. Oh, whoa. No. I'm not losing my auto bridges. It's gonna kill me. Leave me alone. Please. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Let's wait, Can't do it. Seeing as it is just me on my own, I can just put these emeralds in here so they can get them. I'll put diamonds in them as well because I don't want to lose them. Yeah, green eliminate video with me. Well, I'm going to end the video there, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe for more. I mean, I was quite most of the game, but you know, screw it. Leave a like, subscribe. I'm not doing this ever again, and I'll see you in another video.